Peter Schiff, a well-known gold bug and economist, suggested beginning this week in a Twitter thread that cryptocurrency investors should sell their Bitcoin holdings after a 30% rally in January. He has been vocal in his criticism of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, believing they are nothing more than speculative assets without real underlying value and that they are doomed to fail. Schiff argues that Bitcoin is not real money due to its extreme volatility and inability to hold its worth over time. He sees cryptocurrencies as an elaborate Ponzi scheme with the potential to wreak havoc on global economies. However, later this week Peter Schiff acknowledged his poor predictions for Bitcoin and stated that his advice to sell Bitcoin ahead of its 30% rally was incorrect and that it would have been worse to participate in that rally and then crash to even lower levels. Schiff's comment refers to recent events when, despite his bearish forecasts and calls to sell, Bitcoin rose 37.2% in value. He has also softened his stance on the potential of Bitcoin reaching $100,000, previously arguing it was impossible, now stating it is unlikely. Schiff's view of the strength of the market and its participants seems to have wavered. Despite his criticism, Bitcoin continues to test the resistance at the $23,100 level and crypto enthusiasts are closely watching for a potential correction or breakout. Schiff's price predictions have been inaccurate in the past, and it is suggested that his predictions may be based on personal beliefs rather than solid evidence or research. It is important to observe Schiff's record of forecasting Bitcoin price movements with caution when making informed decisions based on his assumptions.